what we discovered that is commonly happening, especially in the west of the province, this collection of money, protection fee, extortion from majority these tuck shops that you find in the townships, that are mostly owned by the foreign nationals. They normally walk around there and collect money from them, and that's part of the problem that we are having. We've dealt with quite a lot of them in the past. Many of them been arrested, and quite a lot of them that were also been shot at, that died. But looks like for everyone that died, there's new youngsters that are bored and they decide to take over the reins, and they start doing the same. So there's quite a lot of murder cases they're involved with, and a lot of robberies that they're involved with, and we're still investigating. But by the look of things, from I'm hearing from the team, it appears that the shop that is just right there next to the building was robbed also this weekend, and it's suspected that it's the same boys that came and robbed the shop here. And the youngsters, as I say, they live the life of robberies, and that's all what they do. But we also pick up that there seems to be drug related drug involvement on what they do as well, because the person that rented the place for them, we're still looking for that person, because they did not rent the place for themselves. Someone paid for this place, but that person was not here. So this is one of the suspects that we are still hunting.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Hollywood Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button and smash the like button. So guys, Mzansi uploads General Mkhwanazi for the good work that he's doing. Gutlina leNingizimu Afrika yethu ke sana. Kunebantu igenge le tigebengu alehamba ayithathela abantu labanemabhizinisi timali, ba-charge timali lebitwa ngokuthi a protection fee. Leyo mali leyo ngilale totigebengu utibhadala khona kokuthi atikuvikele tingakubulala, and if awungadibhadala or ungatiniki imali ayitiyaqisha. Kanti uMkhwanazi is making sure ukuthi basusa one by one ke sana. Uyabaqisha ke sana, and today 4 of them ababadubulile guys. Ngalesikhathi kusuka imbi between bona nemaphoyisa, bavulela indlavu, maphoyisa nawo avulela indlavu kwababusapha guys. So abantu abaningi nje bayasho ukuthi General Mkhwanazi for president ke sana. Ke nathi simbonile aklina laphana boHill bro, aklina Durban. Wena lungana permit yokuhlala la South Africa kona, wena foreigner lo thengisa into letingekho right kona guys, waze wacleana live nangibhodishe mnkosi yami. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.